The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission abruptly closed its investigation into the explosive $100 million election materials tender scandal, declaring there is no evidence linking controversial businessman Wigno Chivayo to any contract with the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC. Zanapena mashoko anobuda achinuka kunzi Chivayo walk free, shocker, ZAC shuts 100 million election tender probe. Notable subscribe or like on the bell. Tipina pano yakashoka vagari vese munyika yeZimbabwe vachiona Wigno Chivayo nange pane solid evidence yekuti aiwa pane madealings nemabusinesses aitwa between iye pamwe chete nethe Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. Kwakaonekwa even mamwe macompanies akaita sana Rainform CC ari kuSouth Africa vakaburitsawo imwe evidence but panguva ine zake yapa kuva ine chibuda pachena achiti tavhara mainvestigation kumukomana ndoda kuti apangana na business raakaita neZimbabwe Electoral Commission. Bold Truth inoendambira chiti ZAC says witnesses failed to produce proof of formal agreement between Chivayo and Zimbabwe Electoral Commission over the 2023 elections procurement deal, effectively giving the flashy mogul a clean bill of health. But critics are crying foul, accusing the watchdog of political gymnastics to protect a well-connected ally of President Emmerson Mnangagwa. They point to leaked WhatsApp messages, pictures, FIC report, and audio recordings in which Chivayo allegedly boasts about bribing senior officials in the presidency and Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. Opposition figures and activists say the decision raises fresh questions about ZAC's independence and whether Zimbabwe's anti-corruption fight is anything more than smoke and mirrors. Ndo mashukano mudanyo kupangwa ino vanhu vachitaura the credibility yeZAC vachiti iyi ZAC iyi yakabva kupi ngaisi yatange sei pasi pemuti. Kana comment section medu nzwa mafunguro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.